Hey guys, welcome to the first lesson of this series. Get excited. Previously, we have learnt about the harmonium's origin and construction, design and features and different parts, sound, production, and different styles of it. In today's video, we will start the very first lesson with our favorite instrument, the harmonium. Therefore, before going to the lesson, there are few key points to be remembered which has been asked by novice players who are going to start learning harmonium. They are number 1, how to sit with the harmonium. Number 2, which hand is better for playing the harmonium. Number 3, how many stoppers you need to play the harmonium. Number 4, how to hold the bellow. Number 5, which finger are to be used for playing. Number 6, which pitch and scale to be chosen before playing. Well, let's see the answers of these questions. At first, it depends from person to person. Some players like to keep it in front of them and others like to keep it in the side as per their comfort. Either it can be left side or it can be right side. Second, again it depends from person to person. Some players likes to play with their left hand and others like to play with their right hand as per their comfort. Some even plays with their non-dominant hand. You can even play with both the hands if you are willing to. Number 3, the stoppers. Let's distinguish between the stoppers first. There are 2 types, main stop and drone stops. Main stops, if you don't pull them, then the sound won't come from the harmonium. And the drone stops, it helps in maintaining the tune by adjusting the pitch and small notes. The number of stops to be pulled depends on the quality of the harmonium. Commonly, 2 or 3 stoppers are used, but if the player needs more volume, then it depends on the player as per their suitability. Fourth, let it be right hand or left hand. The player has to focus on the former. Number 1, the wrist and thumb helps to get grip on it. Number 2, the forefinger helps to push the bellows to open it. Number 3, the rest 3 fingers helps in pulling the bellow back. Fifth, among the majority, everyone commonly uses only 4 fingers. They are thumb, forefinger, middle finger and ring finger. Always remember that if you start with the thumb, then moving to the rest of the keys are easy and comfortable. Sixth, the pitch and scale are always set by the player as per their comfort. Now as we have learned the key points, let's look into our first lesson. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then go hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. Let's get started. In today's lesson, we are keeping our pitch in B2. So, to play the harmonium, let's assess the keys first so that we can have a firm grip on which key to press. All the keys are to be counted from the left hand side. Sa, 5th black key. Re, 8th white key. Ga, 9th white key. Ma, 7th black key. Pa, 11th white key. Dha, 12th white key. Ni, 13th white key. Sa, high note, 10th black key. If it differs with you, then you can contact us with your query. You will find the contact details down in the description. Now, let's set the fingers. Which finger will be used for which key? Therefore, the answer is, for Sa, it will be thumb. For Re, it will be forefinger. For Ga, it is middle finger. For Ma, it is forefinger. For Pa, it is thumb. For Dha, it is forefinger. For Ni, it is middle finger. For Sa, in the high note, it will be forefinger. This is the setting for ascending order. Now let's see the descending order. For Sa high note, it will be forefinger. For Ni, it will be middle finger. For Dha, it will be forefinger. For Pa, it is thumb. For Ma, it is forefinger. For Ga, it is middle finger. For Re, it is forefinger. And for Sa, it is thumb. In today's lesson, the tal is teen tal, 16 matra or 16 beats. It is divided into 4/4/4/4, in which 3 are tali and 1 is khali. 1, 5 and 13 matras are tali and matra 9 is khali. Note, Whenever you are playing harmonium, paltas or alankars or anything, always should be played with tal from the beginning. You will find many apps for tals and rhythm in Play Store and App Store. You can choose your one with your suitability. The bowl. In this, the bowl is dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha. This is available in different compositions also. Tabla players also uses this bowl. Kindly don't get confused with these. Now let's see the lays. In today's video, we will play in Vilambit lay, Madhya lay, Drut lay, Ati Drut lay. That is slow, medium, fast, very fast. The tempo in which we will be putting the tal is 110, 110. Note, you have to complete all the lay in one tempo only. Now let's start with Vilambit lay. That was Vilambit lay or at slow speed. Now let's see Madhya lay. That was Madhya lay or at medium speed. Now let's see Drut lay. That was Drut lay or at fast speed. Now let's see Ati Drut. That was Ati Drut or at very fast speed. Well, this ends with today's first lesson. We hope you have learned many things. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next video with the second lesson of harmonium. To be notified when we upload the next video, go hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.